The Center for Student Academic Success is a place for students to thrive. CSAS serves students at the University of Tulsa through academic success coaching, through tutoring, and providing necessary accommodations for students. Through academic success coaching, students have the opportunity to sit down weekly with their academic coach, learn about study skills, time management, organization, and learning styles. Our academic success coaches promote self-advocacy, and they provide tools for students to use as they navigate their college courses. The Tutoring Center is another great resource for CSAS. There are walk-in hours at the Tutoring Center, and students can also connect with individual tutors to work one-on-one. The Tutoring Center offers a wide variety of course subjects for all students. When students need accommodations to meet their academic needs, they will work with a coordinator at CSAS who will walk them through the process step by step to get accommodations that they may need. The Center for Student Academic Success invites you to be a part of CSAS. We can't wait to meet you.